Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Pratha Bahoi. Let's begin the journey to Khurja. This is the first shop that I went to. They have so many coffee mugs, teacups, soup bowls, vases and other ceramic material. I actually like the quality and the variety over there so much. Just have a look. This is the second shop which has so many pots and planters in varieties and shape. You can see here. Hi guys, from the last clip you must have understood that I went to Khurja for some work. So I thought why not to shop from there as Khurja is actually famous for ceramic work. So I have bought a bunch of items. So let's start with the haul without any further delay. So I'll start with the small item first and then go with the size item or whatever stuff that I get in my hand, right? So first of all, I'll go with the cute item that I got it. So these are the gardening items. These are the mushrooms. If you can see these, I got, I believe, 1, 2, 3, 6 items, 6 mushrooms for my garden, and with the different color, 2 in yellow color, 2 in orange and 2 in red. Along with that, I got these two one house and one hut, again for the gardening. And then I got these bells, these rings as well. Like if you, these are very cute. Listen. So I got these. I'm not sure right now where I'm going to place these, but yeah, I find it cute. That's why I got it. So let's see where I'm going to use it. I got these 4 bottles, I'll say vases, mini vases, 3 in red color and 1 in blue color. I'm gonna use it for diffuser or some kind of a decor, simple decor. It will look better and it will give that place as a vibrant color, some colorful thing. And then I got these 2 cute trays in the shape of leaf, where you can put your keys or your rings or bracelet or something, or teeny tiny items in your closet or makeup or something like that. And then I'll go with these two. These two are the snack plates in white color. I actually like white color. Sorry for this. This is being bit of dirty. I'll get it clean, but these two are simple white color snack bowls. I liked it just because of the white color and the shape. It is not actual oval shape or a round shape. It's kind of curved shape. Can you say it? So I got these two. I don't remember the price of anyone because I got so much of items, and even my brother went with me. So there are so many items that he have bought. So I don't remember the price for all these, right? And then this is the another item. This is the tray which I got it for placing it in the drawing room with some potpourris, and I actually like it. It's actually very beautiful, and this called as in Mughlai art, which is actually very famous, and this is very much hand painted. Another item I got such a cute India Gate decor, I actually liked it very much. It was available in 3 different sizes. This is the medium size. The another one is a bit smaller, I believe in this much, and the another one is this much. So I like this one much better than other two. So I thought why not to get this. Another item, I believe, yeah. So I'll go with these. Isn't it cute? So these are the jars, ceramic jars with a wooden tray. So this is how this is look. You can put it jars and everything. This has a gold rose detailing over here with green color, and I actually liked it. These are 3. So you can place it over your dining table and put it as anything. Even you can put mouth freshener over here. So let's see how I'm gonna use it. And now I got so many planters. So let's start with the planters, right? So I got these. This one is kind of a showering one that we put in and give the shower to our plants. So this is in yellow color. I liked it very much. It's a tiny size, not that big, but yeah, I liked it. Another one, the best cutie, the Tommy. I got it in cup pair. There is one more which I have already get a plant in that. That's why I'm not showing that. But this is another planter. From where I got this, they have so many of varieties. Like they have in panda, giraffe, boot, bottles, everything. So I like this very much. Another one I got it from there is this fish shaped planter. The 4th planter is this. This is axe shape, oval shape, you will say. This is white in color. So I'm going to place all these in the indoor. And then there are one set of planters which has 3 planters under that. So one has already been planted, so I cannot show that thing to you, but I can show this one. So this is a big size planter. There is a medium one which I'll show you. I'll enter it in the clip, and this is the small one. I actually like it. This is a honeybee color, and this looks very kind of a honeybee. So I liked it. And the another planter is, again, it's a big planter. I got it for the inside only, indoor. So this is, again, I believe this is of 12 inch or something like that. But I liked it very much. And another thing I got this is tawa. This is of mitti ka tawa. I have actually heard so many things about to use the mitti ka burdan. So I thought why not to start with the tawa. So let's see. Once I'll start preparing the roti in this, chapatis or parathas, then I'll let you know the review. So this is the another item. This is a small size or medium size plate with 2 attached bowls. So you can use this plate as in to serve momos, fritters, or anything which you like to. So I actually liked it. That's why I got it. Thank you. Let me know how did you liked it. What was your favorite item? Do comment below. Bye guys, and also please share, subscribe and like.